is the compound. As you can see, stamp floor. Compound. So you can see the tap. You see. First round.
Good day, friends. Today's class will be, we want to continue our class on simple interest, and let's solve the problem on the board. We have OK deposited 800 naira in the bank. Now what deposited means, anytime you see the word deposited or borrowed or invested, it means that's the principal. So let's call it P. At a rate of 12.5%, that is our R. After some time, the total amount was 1.5 times the principal. For how many years was the money left in the bank? So solution, we are asked to calculate the time. So T. But look at the keyword here. After some time, the total amount was 1.5 times the principal. So amount is 1.5 times our principal is 800 naira. So let's do this. That means 1.5 times 800 means 1002. So this is 1200. You can take your calculator and do that. So that's the amount. From the amount, we can get the interest. So our interest is amount minus principal. So that will give you amount is 1200. Our principal is 800. So our interest is 400. So from the interest, we can get the time. So how long will, so time will be 100 I over PR. So our interest is 400. Our principal is 800. Our rate 12.5. That's 12.5. So 400 here 1, 400 here 2. So when we say 2 times 12.5, that's 25. 25 in 100, that's 4 years. So let's look at the option. We have A is 8, B is 2 number 2 over 3, C is 5, number 1 over 3, D is 4. So our option D. So we can see how we have analyzed this problem. Let this information go viral. In case you want to buy landed property very close to the road, you want to use it for school, you want to use it for amusement park, you want to use it for hotel, feel free to contact me, Taiwo Michael Oduyebo. We're also on our YouTube channel, Taiwo Michael Oduyebo. Don't forget that this information is very vital, and we can continue to share this information until it gets to the student concerned. You want to join our online class, Dream Dreams Online Tutorial Center is the best class to be at this time. Or you want to come physically at you want to see us physically, you want us to teach us, you want us to teach you and your word. Dream Dreams Tutorial Center is the best class to be. 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT. See you in my next video. Bye.